Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Instagram eye color heart wallpaper trend. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So now launch your Instagram application on your device. Then just go ahead and click on the plus sign at the upper part of your screen so that you can start creating your story. Okay? Now select the eye picture that you have. Then click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen and select draw. Now just go ahead and press on the colors and drag your finger to the picture, okay, so that you can select the eye color that you want. Okay, so let me just go ahead and select that. And once you've selected a color, just go ahead and long press on the screen, click on done, click on the three little dots again, and save this. Okay? And now what you need to do is to repeat that process as many as you want so that you can get all the colors that you want. Okay, long press. Now save it right here and then do it again. Okay? So I want to get this color right here. So sometimes it is hard to get the color that you want. Okay, so there, save it again. As you can see, I have different tones or colors of blue, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get one more for the eye color. Okay, there. Now I have four colors for the eye, and the last one is I'm going to get the skin color. Okay, so as you can see, that is what I want, and long press. Okay, so now instead of saving this photo, just go ahead and click on the sticker button or the smiley icon at the upper part of your screen. Then go to images and select the first color. Now tap it until you see the shape that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with the heart shape. Now click on the smile again and select the second color. So I don't want that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and select this one. Okay, so there. So you need to make sure that it is at the center. So don't worry because as you can see, you have a guide right here, the line. Okay, so just go ahead and repeat the process until you are happy with the picture. Okay, so I'm going to add some more. So I hope you're following these steps because as you can see, it is so simple, right? So that's wrong. So just go ahead and repeat the process until you, OMG, I click it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it again. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this one. Okay, so now once you're happy with your what you did, just go ahead and click on the three little dots and click on save. Okay, so now what you need to do is to just go ahead and go to your photos, then select the picture that you created. Now set it as your wallpaper. There. Okay, so now just go ahead and set it. As you can see, this is my wallpaper. Okay, so if you follow all of these steps, you should be able to do the Instagram eye color heart wallpaper trend. Okay, And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.